So what you can also do is you can go around and ask links with Gemini as you like. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say, list out some Wikipedia articles that are interesting right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that right here, then you can see that this is what you have, and it gives me some links, as you can see right here. If I were to go ahead and then, let's say, for example, go around, you can see that I got some links right here, but there are some other links that you have as well from Britannica and everything else. So if I were to go around and click right here, then it opens up the links, as you can see right here. Similarly, I'm going to go around and say, give me a list of free dictionary websites right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that right here, then what happens is that it simply gives me a list right here, as you can see right here. So let's say I'm going to go around and say, give me links of them as well, just like this. And if I were to go around right here, then you can see that it gives me links of those particular websites, as you can see right here, just like this as well. And that is how you can go around and ask it for links and search the web using Gemini. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.